Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I am back with another video, and today I'm here to share some happy mail that I got from a friend. It was very unexpected. I didn't know who sent me this or if I bought something from someone. I've been on a shopping spree, just to let you know. But I didn't buy anything because I looked at the address and everything, and I'm like, no, no, I didn't buy anything from there. So I wanted to come on real quick and share what a crafty friend, made me and sent me. Look at these pretty, pretty, pretty tags. They're spooktacular. And I love how she colored, the ghost is white, She colored the mug. Oh my gosh, and the purple bubbles. Oh my gosh, and then she added some bling. And this bow is adorable. I don't know where you got that bow. It kind of looks like the Stampin' Up! Bow, but I'm not sure. Look how pretty that is. So the person that gave me this precious happy mail is Jackie, who's ladyj.crafty2016 here on YouTube. I'll have her link down below. She doesn't do a lot of videos, but she is she's she's in a group on Instagram as well. We do our crafty dares every Friday, and there's some new ladies joining in. I'm excited. And yeah, it's going to be fun. So join us Fridays, um, and hashtag crafty dares, okay? Had to plug that in. um, so Jackie made these cute, adorable tags for Halloween. I just need to add some fibers. Look at this one. Oh, look at this one's eating the cookie. I love that. So adorable. Jackie, you're gonna have to let me know what dye this came from. That is adorable. And look at this one with a lollipop and a big old bow. That's sweet. Oh, and I love these bling. And this is adorable tag. Love it. So she made, I want to say this was one of her crafty dares. I'm not certain. Um, or she just made it out of scallop circles. It's like a little purse. Isn't that adorable? Cute little scallop circle purse. Adorable with this. I think he's a, what do you call it? A zombie candy corn. And he's eating up all the pumpkins and the eyeballs. That is so cute. Okay, and then she has given me all kinds of die cuts. Oh, so let me take that out. And then here's her card. I didn't know at first because all it says is just for you, your crafty friend. A little happy mail to brighten your day. Enjoy. Isn't that cute? Oh, I love that, Jackie. And she has given me some colored pumpkins. And is this from Lawn Fawn? They're adorable. They are simply adorable. I love them. And then she gave me a bunch of these little cute, adorable ghosts that I can dress up and add to my projects. I do not have any of those. And some pumpkin die cuts. And some more of these sparkly bows that I want to know where you got that from, Jackie. Love it. Love them. More of these ghosts. These ghosts are adorable. And they got like, you know, a big chunk bitten off of them. Are they supposed to be marshmallows? Mmm, yummy. But they're just simply cute. Cute little die cut ghost. I love that. And then I know she's giving me some lips. This adorable gingerbread man. Who doesn't like gingerbread? I don't know. I don't know. And then she's given me some cute little lips. Mm-hmm. Cute. Cute little lips. I could use for Valentine's Day or just some I love you cards. You know. Love it. I love these die cuts. Thank you. I'm going to put them all back in here because I do not want to lose them. Because I know my room is still a mess, guys. It's still a mess. And I haven't had a chance to go through my room. Okay, so that is from Jackie. And I wanted to share my Halloween card this year. I was going to do a separate video, but I'm just going to come on and add it to my Happy Mail. So I just made a 5x5 card. This is the Dollar Tree word wooden piece. I colored, painted, and then I splattered purple and orange paint, add some googly eyes, and then just added, I need to send these out, that's why I'm doing this video. So this is my 2021 Halloween cards. And then, along with Jackie's Happy Mail, I got an order from the Sassy Club. I think it's called Thank You Sassy Girl, Sassy Club Stamps. So I fell in love with this font. It reminds me of the Ray Dunn set. It's a little different, but it's pretty close. It's pretty close, you know. So I figured I could make my own sentiments, you know, hello fall, or, you know. So they also sent me this cute postcard, and I just love that. Isn't that adorable? I have to put this in with my Mickey Mouse stuff that I've been collecting. And then they gave me this washi tape. And I'm going to do it this way. I think this is the right way. Yeah. Let's see if I can do my autofocus so you can see it. Can you see it? Maybe if I brought it closer. So it's purple and orange, which I was thinking that is so cute for Halloween. Maybe it goes down here. Oh, come on. But it is really, really adorable. And look at what she gave me, a brand new roll. Oh. So that was kind of cool, ordering from them. Usually I get free stuff from scrapbook.com. And that's always a sweet added touch to their selling point. You know, you get a little something back, you know. So I want to thank Jackie for my lovely, I love these die cuts, Jackie. I need to use them. Probably for our crafty dare. Probably not to, no, I think I could. Anyway, I want to thank you, Jackie, for your thoughtfulness, your kindness, and I love little tags and little die cuts. So and you did this from the bottom of your heart, and I really appreciate that. And then my Halloween card and my little gift, my little purchase. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks, everyone. Bye.